Hi, my name is Katie Ziskind. I'm a licensed marriage and family therapist and the owner of Wisdom Within Counseling and Coaching. This video is all about if you're in a relationship with a narcissist or an emotionally abusive person and you're kind of considering if you should leave or if you should stay. Counseling and coaching can help you develop a sense of self-worth, confidence, and help you identify red flags if you do end up leaving when you are starting to date again in a future relationship. You can book your free phone consultation to work with myself and my team at wisdomwithinct.com. That's wisdomwithinct.com. So if you're in a relationship with a narcissist, you may have a parent who's a narcissist, you may have a romantic partner who's a narcissist, you may have a sibling who's a narcissist, but for the sake of this video, we're going to focus primarily on a romantic partnership or a marriage with a narcissist. So when someone has narcissistic personality disorder, they're very insensitive. And oftentimes, if you're highly empathetic, very caring and generous, very loving, a narcissist will really like those qualities in you. And so you often end up with a narcissist if you're very empathetic. So that's something that we talk a lot about, is that kind of trauma bond that develops. So a narcissist is very insensitive emotionally. If you say, hey, it's getting cold in here, do you think we could turn up the heat? They'll invalidate you by saying, it's not cold. Why would you want the heat turned up? So they'll immediately diminish your emotional experience. In a healthy relationship, an emotionally present and attuned partner would say, hey, okay, you're cold. We could turn it up a couple degrees. Let me take off my sweatshirt. I'm actually feeling a little hot, but I want to make you comfortable, right? So it would be an open conversation. When you're in a marriage or romantic partnership with a narcissist, they may withhold love and give you love when you've done something that they're happy about. So if you've done something that makes a narcissist happy, they may give you a hug, they may kiss you, they may offer you sex, they may give you reassurance through love. However, when you do something that displeases them or they're unhappy about, they'll pull away, they'll avoid you, they may give you the silent treatment and withhold communication. If you want to talk it out, they will refuse to speak. A narcissist will avoid you, will make you feel very alone and even trigger your abandonment wounds. As well, if you really enjoy touch, a narcissist will refuse to have sex and withhold sex from you, knowing that that's how you feel loved. So a narcissist will really, really hurt you emotionally over time. And what that does is it lowers your self-worth, it lowers your self-esteem, it makes you doubt yourself, it creates a lot of insecurities, you question your judgment. Narcissistic people are very self-centered. So when they're upset, they're very, very angry. There may be a sense of emotional chaos. This is one of my cats. But a narcissist creates a very hot and cold environment. So one day they're happy and you feel very close and you feel connected. And the next moment, like a light switch, the narcissist is exploding in anger. They're yelling, they're screaming, they're belittling you. And they'll also justify these negative dysfunctional forms of communication by blaming you, telling you did something wrong, that you're deserving of emotional abuse. And so years of being in a relationship like this can make you think this is normal, but this is not a normal, healthy relationship. Couples counseling can be helpful if your partner with narcissistic personality disorder wants to gain self-awareness. So couples therapy can help when your partner is humble, is regretful, does want to be with you, and is willing to change. However, individual counseling and coaching can be super positive to help you get connected to a stronger sense of self. So you can find fulfillment through yoga, meditation, reading, knitting, pickleball, tennis, swimming, anything athletic, volleyball that gets you connected to a stronger support network. Individually, if you have struggled with emotional trauma, also from a parent or caregiver, individual counseling can help you really understand how to recover mentally and emotionally from those damaging relationships. And also, when you're in a relationship with a narcissist, you may want to leave, but you just don't know how to take those steps. So individual counseling, if you're ready to leave, can help you start to separate, help you start to not be so dependent on the narcissist's approval, because constantly there is a praise-seeking syndrome that sometimes happens where you want the approval of the narcissist. They never give it to you. They often will breadcrumb you, so give you little sprinklings of affection and praise, but never really to the amount that you deserve and that you're worthy of. So individual counseling can help you remember that you are worthy of love and respect in your romantic relationship. You can start to feel mentally clear. You can start to understand healthy relationship dynamics, and you can start to set some boundaries with the narcissist in your life. So we help couples and individuals. If you're questioning leaving your relationship, individual counseling could be a good fit for you. If your narcissistic partner really is regretful and sorry and wants to improve their behaviors, couples counseling could be a good fit. So we specialize in narcissistic abuse, trauma bonds, and complex post-traumatic stress disorder, and helping you develop a strong, healthy, confident sense of self. So you can book your free phone consultation at wisdomwithinct.com. That's wisdomwithinct.com. And I would love to talk with you about getting started with myself, to rebuild self-worth, to connect with yourself, really build a sense of courage, step back into your strong sense of mind, body, and spirit so that you can make a strong decision whether to stay or leave. Again, that's wisdomwithinct.com. I'm Katie Ziskind, and I hope you enjoyed this video.